Tanatan is my favorite. I used to love that ambience and everything. And Anna, Raj Shetty, I call Anna, and they have this Kerala kitchen, which is very interesting concept जो हमारे यहाँ है ही नहीं. And I love Kerala food. Most healthy food is Kerala food. So I'm very excited to go inside and have all the khana and tasting and everything.
Well, I'm very excited to be here, and all thanks to Parul who always invite us to the best of the places, and I'm so looking forward to eat, drink and have a great time. So all the very best. Kerala kitchen is gonna rock. Thank you.
I'm super excited क्योंकि it's Kerala kitchen and I love Kerala food. ये बहुत दिनों से I think that I was waiting for an authentic place in Mumbai to have Kerala food, and finally it's here. Kerala Kitchen and Bar by Tanatan. And congratulations, Amit.
Thank you.
And I'm sure it's going to do very well because South Indian के बहुत सारे cuisines हैं, like तमिलनाडु के हैं, डोसाज है, इडलीज है, बेने डोसाज है, but an authentic Kerala food. कभी आपने अगर खाया है तो Kerala food is the most yummiest food. And I'm so happy and I'm excited to try all different varieties of food. And I wish a big success to my friend Raj Shetty. And I'm so happy that he's got Kerala kitchen.
I just love the food from Kerala, and Kerala से मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक अटैचमेंट है. मेरा पहला सॉन्ग हो गई मोहब्बत आलपे केरला में शूट हुआ था. So I'm going to dedicate my line. हो गई है मोहब्बत केरला से. Thank you.
I want to say that my connection with Kerala बहुत पहले से है. मैंने बहुत पहले प्रियदर्शन सर की एक फिल्म की थी वेटर, जो बहुत बड़ा हिट हुआ था केरला में. सो केरला फूड और मेरा संबंध जो है वो बहुत पुराना है और बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि मेरे बहुत अच्छे मेमोरीज है. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कमिंग टू दिस न्यू रेस्टोरेंट. मेरा घर बहुत नज़दीक में है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं आई थिंक हफ्ते में एक बार तो ज़रूर आऊँगी यहाँ पर. थैंक यू गाइस. स्पेशली साउथ कुजीन मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और केरला किचन एंड बार जो बाय तनातन ग्रुप है जुहू में आ रहा है मुंबई में. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मैंने साउथ में एलपी में बहुत ही यमी खाना खाया है केरला का. स्पेशली देयर अपम्स, देयर फिश फ्राई. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट और मैं अभी अंदर जाके काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ. फिर मैं आपको रिव्यू दूँगी. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Amrit is put together and we loved the entry. It was so beautiful and so experiential and can't wait to dig in to whatever has been curated and to taste all the flavors of Kerala, and we're looking forward to it. It seems to be beautifully conceptualized also.
Thank you, Nikki, for such a beautiful words.
Whatever Mr. Amit Pal touches is a success. So all the best to Kerala Kitchen is all I can say.
Thank you.
You have to understand, तनातन तो बहुत देर से चल रहा है, बहुत सालों से चल रहा है. एंड रामी जो है होटल वो मेरे घर के एकदम पास है, तो मुझे पता है कि लोगों को कितना प्यार है उस खाने से, उस जगह से. एंड यहाँ ये खुल गया है और वो भी ऑथेंटिक केरला. तो आई जस्ट लव इट. केरला इज़ अ वंडरफुल. जो उनका खाना है बहुत हेल्दी होता है. पत्तों में मिलेगा, पत्ते में मिलेगा ना.
Yes, we have a Sunday. We have every Sunday will be a sadhya. Like I would recommend, like if you love Kerala food, you should come on Sunday brunch.
Okay.
We have a nice sadhya, properly, like 42 items served on a table.
आज कुछ ना कुछ सब कुछ ही खाएंगे. बस ये पियेंगे नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तक होली का इफेक्ट चल रहा है.
Thank you for coming, sir.
Always a pleasure.
Tanatan is his favorite.
Yeah, of course.
He's
Now
always-
Kerala Kitchen is my favorite. Sorry, I've changed my.
I know you like you love South Indian food.
Yeah, I love South Indian food and I love him also. And many congratulations for such a wonderful restaurant. बहुत ही amazing खाना है. मैं हमेशा से क्रेव कर रहा था कि एक अच्छा साउथ इंडियन खाना मुंबई में होना चाहिए बिकॉज आई लव साउथ इंडियन फूड. एंड अमित भाई ने मेरी वो बात सुनी.
सुननी चाहिए ना, करेक्ट?
Of course. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. The ambience, the food, everything is amazing, and I would suggest everybody to come and have a taste of Mr. Amit Pal's hospitality.
What is that one recommendation?
I think that fried chicken, Kerala pepper chicken,
Pepper
which
chicken,
I tried.
Chicken 65.
Chicken 65, that was the best.
And mutton
also
curry.
mutton curry, mutton Rogan Josh. Mutton Rogan Josh, yeah. I love non-veg, so yeah. Those were my favorites. Appams also.
Appam.
The list
Kerala
can go.
paratha is
The
there.
list can go on. The list can go on and on, but abhi I think I'll pick my top. मैं क्या खाने वाला हूँ? मैं सब खाने वाला हूँ. जो मेन्यू में होगा सब खा जाऊंगा. आज सुबह से एकदम
He's
भूखा
such a
है.
true friend today. He took off from his shoot
Of course.
and he's just coming only for my launch.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My favorite Kerala food, egg roast. I'm so very excited, Kerala food.
And what's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish, egg roast. Egg roast. Yeah. Appa also. Egg roast also. I will go. Bye.
I'm really very happy for my brother Amit. He puts really a lot of hard work in whatever brands he do, whether it is Sanatan, whether it is Rasoi, Muthuswamy, Megumi, all the brands that my brother has done. He really puts his entire hard work behind creating each and every brand that he has done. And I wish him all the best, and I already know, like I've been telling him since last 10 to 15 days, that right from day one there's gonna be rush over here outside. It's gonna go house full. The ambience that he has done, he's done a fabulous job by bringing up the brand, and obviously when it's Amit, the food quality has to be number one.
Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Always your supporter. Thank you.
I wish him all the best, and he will definitely rock, there's no doubt about it.
When friends and entrepreneurs open something in Mumbai, it's really special. And coming to our own Juhu, I'm very excited. Of course, Kerala cuisine offers something very authentic in spices, and that's something that stands out. I'm a big fan of Kerala cuisine. आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. इंडिया का मैच है सेमीफाइनल, और जो प्लेयर सबसे ज़्यादा शाइन किया है, आई थिंक इन द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम केरला, संजू सैमसन. सो वेरी एक्साइटेड एक्चुअली टू एंजॉय दिस cuisine, and I think best wishes to Kerala Bar and Kitchen by Tanatan to do their best and shine. I think this is a very prominent and very nice location, and I'm sure it will do well. So best of wishes to Raj Shetty ji and Amit Pal ji.
So being a Malayali, I'm very happy finally we have a Malayali food in the name of Kerala Kitchen, and I don't think so we have many around where, because I live in Juhu and I haven't seen many around. I'm very excited to try my vegetarian food, and best of luck. Mr. Raj Shetty, obviously he has great taste in whatever he opens, and we all know all the restaurants which are very famous that he owns, and so looking forward. Yeah.
So are you a foodie and you like South Indian food?
Yes, I am foodie. I'm half South Indian, and I can speak Malayalam. My mother is Malayali, so I'm sure I'll bring my mom as well, and I think I request all the Malayalis and all the South Indians to come and visit.
आज क्या खाने वाले हो आप यहाँ पे?
See, I like my sambar rice and sadhya. Basically, sadhya is vegetarian. I'm vegetarian, so I like anything vegetarian. But I would like to try. I don't know what the cuisine is. If there's something special.
डेफिनेटली यार डिफरेंट फ्लेवर होगा, और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड जाकर अंदर टेस्ट करेंगे, और हम आते रहेंगे यहाँ पर खाना खाने के लिए. सो गाइस, और जो भी है वो फ्लेवर जो केरला का है वो यहाँ पर आकर खाएं और एंजॉय करें. आफ्टर रमज़ान डेफिनेटली आए.
तो आपने भी खाया पहले केरला का फूड?
हाँ, मैंने बहुत
कौन सा फूड खाया, क्या खाया?
इडली, डोसा, सांबर, फिश, अप्पम.
अगली बार आना तो पुष्कर भाई को भी लेकर आना.
हाँ, पुष्कर हम चलेंगे. केरला. The name says it all, Kerala Kitchen and Bar. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मुझे साउथ इंडियन खाना बहुत पसंद है. सारिया is something which I really love, especially on that
pakkata, the banana leaf which they serve on. So I'm looking forward to eating it on a banana leaf अगर मुझे मिल गया. And Malabar biryani is another item that is my very favorite. And paisam is the dessert which I love to eat. So let's see, अगर ये सब मिला तो I'm just going to go. Oh my God, Kerala kitchen. To be very honest, South Indian is my favorite cuisine altogether, and dosa is my favorite. Basically, bhat is my favorite, and whenever I tend to eat South Indian food, it's very light to digest. So I think I am a big fan of South Indian food, and I'm going to be coming here frequently. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks. Kerala is absolutely rich in culture, and especially when it comes to food. I love the South Indian food. I love the appam and stew. It's like one of my favorites, and food is something that gives me maximum satisfaction. So I would really want to wish Avatpal congratulations for your new place and new venture, Kerala Kitchen. I hope this goes good. The food is banging, the place looks nice, and I'm really looking forward to try the food here.
Manages Tanatan, and I have loved Tanatan. I'm a huge fan, but my favorite go-to cuisine is the Kerala cuisine. I was here at the time of the soft launch a couple of days back. Beautiful place, incredible food, absolutely amazing interiors, very tastefully done, very appropriately done. It's an experience. You will have to be here to actually understand what I'm saying, but it's a beautiful experiential place. So I wish Amit all the best, and looking forward now to the formal launch here. Thank you. Thanks.
आई थिंक हर कोई साउथ इंडियन फूड पसंद करता है.
यहाँ पे कैमरे में
आई थिंक हर कोई साउथ इंडियन फूड पसंद करता है, चाहे नॉर्थ का हो चाहे साउथ के, तो पसंद करते ही हैं. मैं खुद नॉर्थ से हूँ, यूपी से हूँ, बट जब मेरा कुछ स्पेशल खाने का दिल करता है तो मैं मंगाती हूँ मैसूर मसाला डोसा. ठीक है, तो आई थिंक ये साउथ इंडियन फूड जो है ये हर कोई पसंद करता है, और फूड के साथ साथ वहाँ की फिल्में भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं. फिल्मों के साथ साथ वहाँ के आउटफिट्स भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं. तो मैं आज यहाँ पे लॉन्चिंग पे आई हूँ, पर डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं यहाँ पर डिनर के लिए आऊँगी या लंच के लिए आऊँगी, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए भी आ सकती हूँ.
राम भाई क्या कहना चाहेंगे? केरला किचन एंड बार लॉन्च हुआ है, यू आर हियर टू प्रमोट एंड सपोर्ट, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यार केरला मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, केरला का खाना भी अच्छा लगता है, और केरला किचन एंड बार इज़ लाइक, मैं इधर हूँ टू सपोर्ट दिस कॉज. ये जो रेस्टोरेंट है ये अपने एक जानने वाले के है, और पारुल मेरी बहन भी है, तो रमज़ान के महीने में आया कुछ खाना वाना खाता हूँ केरला का.
आपको पसंद है साउथ?
जी, साउथ फूड में कैसा अलग अलग जगह, जैसे मैंने साउथ की बहुत सारी फिल्में किया हूँ, 27 फिल्म किया हूँ, तो हैदराबाद का खाना अलग है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहता है, कन्नड़ा का अलग है, तमिल में अलग है, केरला में अलग है. तो केरला का कैसा है, केरला का फूड बहुत लाइट और अच्छा रहता है, मतलब पेट के लिए भी ठीक और शरीर के लिए भी ठीक, और टेस्ट बहुत अलग रहता है. सो आई बीन टू केरला सो मेनी टाइम, आई लव केरला.
I am actually very excited, and I heard they almost bought the whole thing. So this is not just कि इतने सारे restaurants रोज खुलते हैं, and then some work and some doesn't work, but बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत पड़ती है when somebody puts so much hard work in making sure कि लोगों को खाना पसंद आए. So all my best wishes. एंड अब तो इन्होंने खरीद लिए, कोई ना कोई वजह से कभी भी नहीं निकलने वाले. एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी देयर होम ग्राउंड.
Thank you.
Lots
We
of
have
good food.
Tanatan also.
Absolutely.
That is
वो
also
तो हम लोग 10 years से हम जा ही रहे हैं. So all the best. A big
Thank you very much.
congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
restaurant business, especially food, I must say. How does it feel to be, in the city of opening restaurants?
I really don't have a word. This is my almost a 20th restaurant what I'm opening. First we started from the Tanatan Juhu, then Tanatan Shivaji Park, then we did in Dubai Tanatan, then we opened Muthuswamy Dadar, then Muthuswamy Khar, and the legacy was just going on. Megumi, now Kerala Kitchen and Bar. I hope I'll take this brand also multiplications.
10 years and 20 restaurants.
20 restaurants.
That's a very, very big thing.
Thank you, thank you.
That's not easy, and in today's time, especially the food and beverage industry, it's not easy, and you've been just doing the boost for the longest time. How does it feel to be like
I'm feeling very proud, and I feel if I do one restaurant, I give employment for 45-50 people. So I feel proud for that. And I wanted to open this place during the month of Ramadan. It's a holy month, and I said, why not? It's the best month to open it.
So what is the speciality of Kerala Kitchen?
Speciality, the menu is very vast. We have almost when you talk about, we don't only serve Kerala food. So we'll be having a Kerala, Mangalorean, as well as Indian. So everybody will get their own taste, whatever they want to eat. Because how the restaurant works these days. You can't completely focus only on one cuisine. So we have almost 150 dishes of Kerala, 100 dishes of Mangalorean, then something 40-50 dishes of Indian, North Indian dishes. I hope I'll get the same kind of love and feedback from the people, and what I got it for so many restaurants.
Your recommendation for a person who loves Kerala, what
you should try a mutton cutlet. You won't get mutton cutlet like that anywhere else, what we are serving, and chicken 65. It's not a Chinese 65, it's proper Kerala 65.
And what is the message you'd like to give out to all the people who come and try Kerala food?
I would give a message if you want to eat specifically Kerala food, you should come for a Sunday brunch, which we are going to call as in Kerala Kitchen Sadhyas, which will be having a 42 dishes and completely Kerala. In that, you'll see pachdi, you'll see paisam, you'll see brown rice, you'll see sambar, you'll see avial, lot of different kind of and even the fish, mutton, chicken, everything is there. And when you talk about the breads, we have mool parathas, we have Kerala parathas, we have idi appam, we have ghee dosas, we have appam, everything. Thank you, and I wanted to be with you for all the restaurants. You were always here, always with me for opening almost every restaurant of mine.
We are a good team, and now it's going to all the best.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, media. Being a part of our opening. Hope you all also enjoyed being over here, and our hospitality, whatever we have.